See the play? Hey guys, working on a Jeep TJ. This one's a 2004, for example, but this is gonna be the same on pretty much all the Jeeps. What we're gonna do in this video, I'm gonna show you how to test right there your front axle shaft U-joint. Sometimes people call them your wheel axle joint or your front axle U-joint. Okay, I'll show you where it is and I'll show you how to test it right now, guys. Okay, so as you can see, there it is right here. That is it. It is inside of here. Let me show you. See, so this is it. Right there. It goes into this and into this. So what I did is I got the wheel off the ground so I can, see, spin it. Okay, hold on. I got to jack it up a bit. Okay, see, I got the wheel off the ground. I got it in four-wheel drive. And all the other wheels are on the ground. So now, see, look at this. You just slightly move your wheel and watch. See the play? There's supposed to be no play at all. See if you turn that a little bit. So, I mean, that tells you it's shot. Another thing you can do is you can grab a screwdriver, for example. And even go like this, watch. See, look at all that play. Like this part is not supposed to move separate from this part. It's supposed to be like one piece. See, in our case, it is not. See, look. It's not supposed to do that. So this U-joint is shot, guys. I am going to change this U-joint in detail. So if you want to see that video, guys, click on the link in the description. Detailed U-joint video on swapping it. Thanks for watching. Till next time.